Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for product reviews. Today, we've got something special to talk about: the best cloth diapers you can find in the market right now. We're diving deep into the ALVABABY baby cloth diapers. So, let's get started. These ALVABABY cloth diapers are making waves in the diapering world, and for a good reason. They're known for their quality, affordability, and eco-friendliness. Let's break down the details. First things first, these cloth diapers are designed to be eco-friendly, which means you're not only saving money but also contributing to a greener planet. Disposable diapers generate a lot of waste, and these cloth diapers are a fantastic alternative. These diapers come with a waterproof and breathable TPU outer layer, making them convenient for parents to carry their babies while on the go. The inner layer is made of suede cloth, which draws moisture away from your baby, keeping them dry and comfortable. Plus, each diaper comes with two 3-layer microfiber inserts, ensuring excellent absorbency. One of the coolest features is that they're one size fits all. You can adjust the diaper to your desired size, small, medium, or large, by snapping onto different rows of buttons on the nappy. This means these diapers will grow with your baby, saving you even more money in the long run. Nobody likes diaper leaks, right? These ALVABABY cloth diapers come equipped with hip snaps and crossover snaps to prevent wing droop. They also have a comfortable elastic legging area that effectively prevents leaks. You'll find these diapers a reliable choice to keep your baby dry. So, what do you get in the package? You'll receive 6 diapers and 12 microfiber inserts. That's a great deal, isn't it? You'll have enough to get you started on your cloth diapering journey. Taking care of these diapers is easy. Just wash them at a temperature below 30 degrees Celsius. It's essential to wash the diaper cover and the insert separately. And remember, don't wash diapers together with your other clothes. Oh, and adding a little salt to the water during washing can be beneficial. To sum it up, the ALVABABY baby cloth diapers are a fantastic choice for eco-conscious parents. They're reusable, adjustable, and come with everything you need to get started. Say goodbye to disposable diaper waste and hello to a more sustainable diapering solution. If you're interested in trying out these amazing cloth diapers, check out the link in the description below to grab your own set. And if you've used these diapers before or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments section. We love hearing from you. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.